Okay, my friend, welcome back to my new videos. I'm very excited to present to you a new system that you can make free money to your PayPal account. All you have to do is 2 steps that I will show you right now, and you can start today. Even you can make free PayPal cash even in the next 2 hours. Okay, so let's start make this system. I will show you exactly how this works. Please, all you have to do is take action and don't delay. Okay, if you want to make money online, you have to test it. You have to take action and don't delay. Okay, so let's start. First, let's go here. You can see this link. I will put this link below this video, and all you have to do is just replace your email on this link. Okay, like you see, this is my PayPal email address. Okay, this is my PayPal email address, and you have to put your email PayPal address. Okay, after you doing this, all you have to do is take all the link, copy, and I will show you right now how to get real traffic and real buyers to your link. Before I will show you how to get this traffic, let's copy this link and put in our browser. So you will get this link. Okay, you can see here in the top, this is my PayPal email address. Of course, if you put yours, so you will get the commission. You can see here in the bottom of this page, you can see the email PayPal address. So if you put yours email PayPal address, you can see yours email here in the bottom. Okay, so let's take this link and promote this link for free. Okay, so let's go to Boost. With this website, guys, you can get unlimited traffic. I want to show you my website, how many traffic I am getting. You can see this is the traffic I am getting from this website for free. So how this work? All you have to do is, you can see here, add a new website. And then you have to put your link here. Okay, and click validate. Okay, my friends, welcome to my... Okay, we have to wait some seconds, like you see here. Okay, then we will get this page. All you have to do is select your category, let's say business, and that's it. You have to click add website. That's it. Our site is already on this network. So right now we need traffic. So how to get traffic? All we have to do is go to all websites, and now like you see, this is our website, so we will not click it. We have to choose another website, and every website we click it, we will get a point here. Here we can get 50, here's 30, 50, 75. Okay, let's click this. Okay, we have to wait some seconds, like you see here. Okay, and we have to choose this image. So this, I think, speaker. Let's. Okay, I get 75 points, and close it and go to another website. Okay, this website will give you 100 points. So let's click it. Very nice. Okay, fantastic. This is icon of upload, so I will click upload. Okay, you have to do this, let's say 10 minutes a day, and you will get points. And these points automatically you will get visitors to your link, and you will get a commission. Okay, so remember, you have to add your page, your link, and then go to all websites and click off some links here to get a point, and then this point will convert to traffic to your website. Now, if you don't have this 10 minutes or 20 minutes to click some links and get points, I will show you another way that you can get unlimited traffic, very, very cheap traffic. So let's go to safe traffic rotator. This website, you can see here, you can get unlimited traffic, very, very cheap traffic. You can see here, you can get 25,000 visitors for $14. This is very, very cheap. You can get 100,000 visitors, only $50. It's amazing website. Okay, so how this work? Let's take our link and click here your name. Let's say dev20, our email, and the URL, and then you have to click terms of use. Okay, very important, and choose your package, let's say 100, and click order now. Okay, you have to check if everything is okay, your name, your email, and your package, and your link, and then buy now, and you are ready to go. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will upload every day one video, so you can learn how to make money online, how to earn a commission from your affiliate links, how to succeed. So good luck. Thank you again for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you again and good luck.